guys got the step all installed, and we opted to put a planter box here so I can plant some herbs, and won't have to go all the way out to the garden to just get some herbs. So they're building that now. This will be really handy. I'm excited. So yeah, Ken got this area all painted and it looks really great. We're going to do some landscaping over here too. They built this planter box, but I think I'm going to have him paint it black on the outside. I think that would look really striking. And then on the corners, he got solar lights to put on there, and they're black. It is coming along, coming along, coming along. You can see from this angle, we're going to paint that flower box black, and he has the black solar lights to go on there. They built this step the whole length, which I really like, and he put up the umbrella. We have another rocking chair like this that usually sits here, but the one part is kind of getting a little fatigued, so he went ahead and he ordered the part. It's supposed to be here on the 7th. He ordered it for this chair and that chair. He's just going to replace both of them, and so I'll be glad to get the other rocking chair here. Over here, that's where we store our charcoal. He just needs to get it put down there. I just set those brown cushions there. They go to the other rocking chair. But yeah, we have our little Boston ferns. I think in this area here, I'm going to put another bed from the corner of here all the way over, kind of make it go out. This gets a lot of shade. Gets the morning sun, but it does get a lot of shade in the day. So this will be exciting. I'll have to pick out some really good plants. That chicken sure is noisy. I don't know if you guys remember at the beginning of the season, I bought some Chicago figs. They were about this big, and look at them now. We're just going to get them transplanted into some bigger pots for our deck area. We have these big pots. We saved them from when we ordered those big 5-year maple trees about 4 or 5 years ago. What's that?
These guys like sun.
Yeah, they're going to be just fine here. I'm going to take these in the greenhouse for the winter, but we're going to have them here on the deck. Meanwhile, I love figs. Got 3 of them. We got 2 down, 1 to go. And we got the 3rd one put in. It's kind of growing that way, so I turned it so it'll start reaching for the sun. You know, it was in the greenhouse and it was growing that way, so I want to correct that. Now this big mess we have going on over here, we ordered, what was it, Kenny, like 30 hostas, a lot of different varieties. We're going to start here, kind of go out, and then around and around that way. And so that's our next project as far as planting. It's going to look really pretty because it's going to be so much different textures. We painted the garden box, got the first coat on. I love the contrast between the box and the porch. Looks good. I guess we're ready for round 2. Get another coat on. The second coat of paint is done, and we got the solar lights installed. So now we just need to start filling the box. Very nice. The solar lights are working out pretty good. Looking good. Today is zone 1 of Fly Lady. We're getting ready to power wash the front porch and clean all the windows. Ken's gonna start with that. While he's power washing, I'm gonna paint these Adirondack chairs a black and put them out underneath the willow tree that we planted last year. We've had these chairs almost 30 years. We had them at the lake house when we first were married, and they sure have lasted, but I'm gonna get them off the gator and paint them black. I think it'll be striking. I think it's turning out stunningly. It looks good. Well, I'm going to work on these chairs, get them painted, and Ken's going to start on the porch. I just finished the second coat of paint on the chairs. It looks really super good. I love the color. It's kind of like a dark charcoal gray, really dark charcoal gray. And it's just beautiful. Turned out so nice. They're almost dry even. Let's go see what Ken's doing. Ken finished spray washing the porch. Now he's taking on the windows. I see that he also already cleaned the screens. Ken and I are taking turns. I painted the porch, and now he's painting the step and the fascia board. At first, we were just going to touch it up, and then we just decided just to do it. Didn't take that long, but it sure looks a lot better, freshened up. Ken is just finishing up painting the little corner over there on the porch. I think we're going to call it a day here pretty quick. Tomorrow, we're going to take the front door off, put up some plastic, and then take it out and wash it really super good, and put it on his sawhorses, and then put a high gloss clear coat on it. The paint has really lost its sheen over the last few years, and I think that would really help brighten up the entrance. We just have a few little things to do tomorrow. We need to clean the light over the door, armor all the shutters, and then the white post here, these 3 posts, we have paint to kind of touch it up. We'll do that tomorrow. And I think that'll be it for the front porch. It sure looks a lot better, you know, just doing those few little things. All right. Well, I guess we'll see you in tomorrow's video. You guys take care. Talk to you later.